today's video, you will find out if coconut oil lightens or darkens the hair. We have already seen some recipes for the hair that take coconut oil, right? Have you tried any of them? If you have ever used coconut oil on your hair, you notice that it helps with hydration, especially after using chemical products, right? But when doing it, you probably also notice that your hair gets a little bit darker when you use coconut oil on it. So, does coconut oil lighten or darken the hair? The answer is simple. Coconut oil doesn't either darken or lighten the hair. Whether your hair is dyed or natural, coconut oil doesn't interfere with the color pigments. Simple like that. The only things that can darken or lighten your hair are products made for it, either natural or commercial. What happens is that coconut oil creates a visual effect or optical illusion. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. It is simple. Coconut oil forms a protective film over the hair. By doing so, your hair seems less shiny and more opaque, and depending on what color it is, your hair looks either lighter or darker than it is. But as soon as you wash your hair, you get back to the original color. If you like to dye your hair, did you know that coconut oil seals the hair cuticles? That means it stops the molecules of the hair dye from disappearing too fast. But it doesn't darken or lighten your hair, only makes the dye last longer. Cool, isn't it? Now tell us, do you use coconut oil on your hair frequently? What changes have you noticed? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.